Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about ln a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So I will transform this one into this one. So we have 3 ln s. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the power 2 for the both sides to cancel about the power 1 over 2. And you got about 3 ln s minus number 2. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about 2u du. First, the derivative of ln s, we have 3 over s. This one, that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Next, we need to divide both sides by number 3. So we have 2u over 3 du equals to the s over s. So this one we change by u. The s over s we change by this one. So u divided by u, we have number 1. The integration of du, we have u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.